let's be realistic. This is very painful, spending your hard-earned money to get a quality and great smartphone, and after some time, like a few months or a year, like this user, you start noticing lines on your Samsung screen. It's very painful, and I am talking from experience. But the big question now is, why does these lines appear on your phone screen or even a Samsung phone screen, and does it appear on all Android phones? And is there a solution for all this? Well, let's find out together. Before we start this video, I wanted to please like, share and subscribe, as well as turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any update from us as we discuss about iPhones, Android and gadget tips. Alright, so let's get started. Before we answer these questions, we need to understand what particular screen is used in making modern Android phones. And what screen is used? Well, AMOLED display. You see, AMOLED was developed in 2006, and Samsung was one of the major main investors of this technology. Although the first mobile phone to use an AMOLED display was Nokia N85. So the question is, why was active matrix organic light emitting diodes created? Yeah, that's the full meaning of AMOLED, just in case. Well, unlike its predecessors, LCD and OLED, AMOLED provides superior photo quality, intense color reproduction, and consumes less power. Now, since we know the display Samsung and all Android phones uses for their screen, or most Android phones use for their screen, another question is, does this green line appear on all Android phones? Well, it depends if the Android phone, has this AMOLED technology. But these are the phones that uses AMOLED technology. For example, Vivo. I've actually done a video on one of their flagships. You can check the link in the description. Xiaomi, Motorola, Nothing, Huawei, Oppo, OnePlus, Realme, and Samsung. You see, the crazy part is, this green line doesn't just appear on premium flagships. It actually appears on mid-range smartphones as well. So why does these green lines appear on Samsung phones? The issue of green lines has been a thing for quite some time, but it got to a whole new level when the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra was released, as well as the S20 Plus 2. Although even some Samsung S21 users have been complaining about this for some time too. You see, most users speculated maybe these phones aren't waterproof as the brand owners claim it to be. Some people even speculated maybe they slept on the phone and or they dropped it on the floor. But the truth is, none of these suggestions was the reason for this, and this opened doors for lots of questioning, like, if all these Samsung phones has green lines on their screens, isn't there more to it? Isn't this likely a hardware issue than the AMOLED display itself? Now, this leads to the causes of this green line display. The green line issues on these phones is actually a hardware problem and not the AMOLED display itself. You see, this green line display cannot be fixed by software, okay? But one of the major reasons why there's a green line on your screen is because of the major software update. When you do a major software update, you understand? Now, although this is more of a multifaceted explanation than a precise fact, this is because software update has been a thing happening for a long time. You understand? And so, why is this happening now? You see, an answer I'll give to you is overheating. Actually, you see, after major software update, your Android phones, or even an iPhone as well, not just Android phone, after your Android phone heats up and more often than usual, and this excess heat up causes damage to some parts of the display assembly, that is the display, the cable and connector, which causes or accelerates hardware failure. But The only flaw about this is that what about gaming? You understand? And since playing games for a long period of time heats up your phone, why doesn't this cause lines on your screen? Well, you need to understand that since 2022, most modern Android phones has been having a thermal throttling. An example of, and this thermal throttling actually helps to cool your phones while playing games. An example of Android phones that does this is Tecno Camon 20 series, Tecno Camon 30 series, and recently iPhone 16 Pro Max actually has this feature as well, which is thermal throttling. That actually helps to cool your phone. Now, the good news is major smartphone brands are aware of this, of this issue. As at late 2024, newer AMOLED display are coming out with mitigations, against this issue. All right. My advice for you is just to prevent this issue is to give your phone to your nearest phone technician to help you do a major software update instead of you doing it yourself. Lastly, if there's a green line on your screen, OEMs like Samsung, Apple, and OnePlus have advised their service channels to help users with green line issues and repair devices for them, for free, even outside the warranty period. But not very important. You see, your roadside software and the smartphone technicians are not the ones who will do a free repair for you, but your phone service channels in your country are the ones who will do that for you. Meanwhile, Happy New Year. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment please, because I notice I don't get comments often, and subscribe so you won't miss an update and content from us. My name is Efevwia Ifeanyichukwu Conroy Efemena. So see you next week, Monday, and so long.